To help you take your YouTube channel to the next level in 2021, there are some key areas to cover outside of creating high quality content. If you're new to my channel, I'm Jim from SEO Marketeer. If you're a subscriber already, welcome back. In this video, I will cover all 14 steps I feel are a critical part of running a successful channel. Some may argue that content is king, and in many respects it's probably true to build an audience and get subscribers, but in this video I'll take a look at YouTube SEO and detail how to optimize your YouTube channel and videos. You need to get viewers to your channel and click on your videos through great thumbnails and focus keywords, or it doesn't matter how good the content is. If no one is watching, then it doesn't really matter. So let's get started, and please watch to the end, as it is important you follow these steps. And if you stay to the end, I will throw in some key tips and more views through SEO within your YouTube video content. Step 1, optimize YouTube channel description for SEO. This is one of the areas people tend to overlook. You want people to be able to find your channel and what you stand for. Step 2, add channel video. You can post target videos at one of your more popular ones, but it's better to post one that explains who you are and lets the audience know what your content and channel will be all about. Step 3, focus keywords. On a basic level, consider YouTube as another form of search engine, but for videos. To rank better in the search results, you need to focus on hitting the keywords people are searching for. Step 4, optimize your title tags of your video. Include your focus keywords in the title, and in one of the best ways is to ensure you meet your YouTube numerous ranking factors. Step 5, as always, thumbnails is key. This is a critical part of why people click on your video, and your thumbnail needs to be eye-catching and paint a good picture of what your content is all about, and try to make it too clickbaity or people will leave your video after a few seconds, and this will hurt your rankings. Step 6, optimize your description. Aim to write about 250 words. Include your focus keywords towards the beginning of the text. Don't copy and paste other content into the section. Make it unique. Direct viewers to your social media and website if relevant. Give your viewers a little reminder to subscribe to your channel. Step 7, add relevant SEO tags for YouTube rankings. In your tag section, add relevant SEO tags and include variations of your focus keywords here. You can use YouTube tag generator, or a good trick is to see what other relevant videos are ranking and are using within their content. Go to YouTube and search similar content. Look for other influencers that don't have a lot of subscribers but have a lot of views. Step 8, make longer YouTube videos. There's always conversation about how long should a video be to rank higher. In the short answer, they should be just long enough to keep your audience attention. Depending on the niche, videos between 8 to 10 minutes perform well. Step 9, keep people engaged and encourage more of it. This goes without saying. You could have the best title and description in the world, but if the video doesn't keep people interested, then you're back to square one. Step 10, add an end screen. This will take them to another similar content and hopefully get more views by displaying relevant content. Step 11, strategically place cards within your video. This is a tricky one. You don't want to place them too soon, or your audience will click off the video you're watching, and that kind of defeats the purpose. Also, it's good to reference them within the video. Like if you want to let someone know then how to do something, then you just say, hey, click up here on the link above. Step 12, add closed captions. This feature is not just a great user experience factor, but Google and YouTube also crawl on the sites, and it'll improve your SEO efforts overall. Step 13, create backlinks. Links to your videos from other places is a great way to improve your technical SEO efforts. I personally place most of my links on my blogs and videos, so it's always great to drive traffic back to your YouTube channel from other third-party sources. Step 14, promote on social media. This works well on some social media platforms. However, like Facebook and Instagram, you don't really allow links on the site, but Pinterest is a good platform if you want to use that to direct people to watch your YouTube videos. As promised, the final tip is to add the SEO Focus Keywords within your scripts. We know, as promised, the final special tip here is to add SEO Focus Keywords within your scripts. We know that the YouTube is analyzing your content, and through their AIs is focusing on what your actual content is, if it's unique, what focus keywords you actually say throughout the video. So they're actually characterizing your videos through that. So that's a huge thing here going into 2021 to see the AIs working to this extent. And so it's critical for you to actually put that into your content. Make sure it's in your scripts. Make sure your content's unique. Don't try to copy and paste other people's. I hope this helps you on your journey. Thank you for watching, and remember to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more relevant content like this, leave me a comment below. Until next time, see ya.